MTDCNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
We sneaked through quarantine, passports out. They've let us north of the border to Scotland. We're at the University of Edinburgh, where MTD are going to review the Nine9 drill range supplied via ACT. Graham from ACT, you have the exclusive distribution rights for the Nine9 tooling range. Product we've got here, would you like to tell me more about it, please?
What we're seeing here is the modular solid carbide shanked Helix drill. It's got 5 tools in its range, ranging from a 10mm diameter up to 25mm shank size, which gives you a range of holes in one pass from 13mm up to 50mm. The advantage of it being the solid carbide through coolant, the coolant's getting right to the business end. The tool will run twice as fast as the solid range of the Helix drill. A lot more rigidity, and speed-wise you can aim it at more production side of business out there in the engineering field where people need to do speed.
Got you, so coolant coming through enables the speed. It's a modular system, so you can change shaft lengths?
Yep, you can change your shaft lengths, and each head is screwed into the end of the shaft. So the 10mm size has its own carbide shaft. It also has a bit of an advantage if you've already got shanks within your company from a competitor, for instance. You can actually screw the modular system into their shank. So if you do have a carbide bar or a steel one and it's got the right thread size on it, you can use our modular system on the end of their tooling. So we try to make it flexible for the customer as well.
Excellent, so flexibility. In terms of depth then, how does that compare?
Compared with the solid Helix drill, you're probably talking 4 to 5 times D, whereas a solid one will do 2 to 3 times D. You can push it a bit further, because especially if you've got very, very high coolant pressure, it's blasting the swarf out and giving you, the freedom to cut and getting rid of the chips. So, yeah. Once again, it's got the sinusoidal waveform on the insert, so the chips are very small, very, very light, so they will go with the coolant.
Excellent, so real big in terms of depth, getting the chips out there. What about any specific industries and also materials that it can cover?
It'll cover every material. Once again, we've used it from nylons up through stainless steels into the exotics. Any industries we're looking at, anything that's got holes, pocketing aerospace industry, automotive industry, and oil and gas industry. And there's going to be obviously the fillings in between, the subcontractors now are going to see an advantage of it if they're buying a lot of drills and deep hole drilling, and they can buy 5 of these tools and produce, up to 50mm. Once again, once you get to 50mm, you can pitch over and the size becomes infinite, what size hole you want to go and depth.
Okay, Graham, that's fantastic. So really small range, but gives you that massive amount of flexibility. Yep,
massive amount of flexibility. And once again, we think we're on a winner here with the tooling being such a small range. Obviously the tool holders and loading up a tool carousel, you're limiting things down, and you can use pockets for other things. So yeah, it's a great advantage to us, and I think once people get the concept, we're going to be in a real winner here.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.